than flip side. Ma'am, would you like to come here? Program, I will explain them briefly later. And you should know, a lot of people don't know that the program conducted in those countries, even though their language of other language is not English, a lot of programs are now as a part of European free integration are done in English. So by just knowing English, you can get admission, but still you need to learn the local language to communicate with people, or sometimes even to get jobs. Of course, a lot of experience you have seen. You can travel to different countries by train. It's like from one town to one town. Now, when we live in south of Germany, it's easier and faster, cheaper to go to Switzerland or Belgium, Netherlands than even going to Berlin or north of Germany. So now I have taken buses, and in fact I have gone from say, Finland to Portugal, 3 days trip, 4 days trip by train. But this is the format you should use, because you can have a picture. You can take this from Europass, it's online. You can fill it online and get it done. So this is their instructions, but please use this format because it's the standard European activity. Some people are very good in writing, but a lot of people, I have seen anyone from Norway University. Okay. Actually, among universities, people from Norway have a high kind of good CV. Maybe you get a friend here to see. Anybody recently passed? You got some training to speak here. Okay. So it is very clear when I get from different universities, they have better presentation. So this is very important. Maybe there are people, smart people from other universities, but when it comes to CV, people, I'm not saying all the university people from Morocco have better CVs, but in general, Morocco people have nice format. So your format is very important. The date and description. So when I say resume, it doesn't mean only your academic first class or anything. I will not go into details. What is already mentioned about DART. Now there are country-specific scholarships. Now Germany has DART, Belgium has VLRS, DOS. There are a lot of programs where you can apply. Luftig is a Dutch agency providing scholarships. Please find they are available on the internet. I have put also website. And in different countries, you have scholarships given by different foundations. I think already mentioned about one foundation, but in Germany you have Max Planck Society, Konrad Adenauer Stiftung. They give a lot of government universities to scholarships to South Asian students. Shell, Century, Shonin scholarship. Competitive, but you can go to UK on based on that. So there are many. These are only some sample, but all European countries have different ways of inviting developing country people. Okay. Now we talk about Erasmus Mundus program. Okay, before my flyer or information on Erasmus Mundus, how many of you have heard of Erasmus Mundus? Only one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, quickly, where did you learn that? Okay, anybody else? Yes? From where? Which university? Actually, if you type Erasmus Mundus, the first list of all the URLs, Canadian National League comes actually in the first 10. Anybody else? Yes, ma'am?
I was studying European Union law and
Okay.
so they need campus.
Okay, great. And ma'am? Advantage of that is you go to more than one university. If you get Erasmus Mundus scholarship, you can study these 2 universities. It will cover your tuition fees. These programs are not free, by the way, like traditional European programs. They are very market-oriented programs. They are very high tuition fees for people from developing countries. But you get participation cost, you get living expenses, as well as travel expense, insurance, and everything. And Now you can apply directly to the university. So Erasmus, European Union is only providing funding. Application, you have to apply directly to Erasmus programs in different universities. Now there are different categories of program. As you can see, covers all these areas. Now there are 138 Erasmus Mundus master's courses this year and 42 joint Erasmus joint doctorate PhD program. 42 PhD programs and 138 master's programs this year conducted in English as Erasmus Mundus program. Okay, this, for example, this from one university, how much you get? Now, if you get a scholarship, Erasmus Mundus scholarship, you get 4,000 euros to travel. 4,000 euros means about 6 lakh rupees. So you can go to Europe 3 times at least. You use that money to get to. And you get full payment of the fees. So the full coverage of participation means tuition they will pay directly, so you won't get that money. But you get monthly 1,000 euros. As already mentioned, 700 maximum you need to live in a decent life. If you are individual, 600, 700 you can live in a. Yeah, maybe in Scandinavia it will be more 100. Yeah, but then you get 1,000 euros. That means you can even save about 200, 300. Of course, a person like me, I would never save that. You can, it's a decent amount. Like it's like a general manager salary in Sri Lankan government, 175,000 rupees per month. You get. It's like living like European life with a Sri Lankan maybe a general manager salary. Okay, this is what you get. Okay, I will demonstrate or I will show you how you get. Now this is the main website where you have all the information about Erasmus Mundus. Now the problem with European Union work is this is very complicated, very structured. So you need to have good searching, navigating skills to get what you really need. Now if you go to this website, you see these are master's program, these are doctorate program. So these are the other things. If you are a university, you can apply. But let me show you masters. Okay, so these are master's program. Now these are all of master's program. You see. Now if you click to this, if you click this link, you will go to that particular program. Let's say now I will. If you want, say only engineering and construction, to click that link, and you get all the programs in and engineering, same in social science. Since we don't have time, I will show you some selected programs. So this is the main site where you get all the information about all the programs. But I wanted to show you some programs directly to get understanding. Okay, I decided on some subject. I teach strategic management, project management, so I look at that one. If you want to study in strategic management, masters, this is you can do in 2-3 countries, in UK, in Italy, and in Sweden. It's a 3-country program. Now I will show you program study. Okay, so maybe I will how to apply. Okay, so this is your admission. Just to get idea, people who are in management or engineering, you have to have a good academic excellence of your credentials. It shows maybe first class or high upper or something like that. If you are not an English speaker, you have to have a good IELTS score. Motivation, and you have to explain why they should hire you, why they should recruit you. It should be a strong statement. It's good to have some kind of background, but if you can make a case, this is how you get admission. I will also show you. What come back. Okay, I'll go to the next one. This is master's course in computer science. To do this computer science degree, it is done in 3 countries: Sweden, Germany, Netherlands,